I'm Ollie Bradfield and I run essays for a living.
Amazing. Tell me what you thought of the event so far.
Yeah, really good. I've networking opportunities, really good. I've met so many people that can potentially be my investors, co-sources and JV partners. So yeah, I'm really excited to get back out there and find some deals really.
Amazing. And what about Samuel and the team? How's the energy?
Energy's up there. I always be inspired when I come to these events. Samuel just jumping around, shouting at things. It builds you up and it makes you believe that you can do it.
Excellent. And what's your main takeaway from the event?
Just like how to actually build up my investor list and how to grow my network. Just knowing that just a couple of bits of information to allow myself to do that. I'm in a little bit of a pocket in the UK that's not in that's like the spine of the UK, so it's a little bit out of the beaten track. So actually knowing how to build up my own network around that area is really helpful.
Cool. And final question, any advice to people who are thinking about coming down to the crash course but haven't yet done so?
Do it. So it's a quiz. You're going to learn so much. You're going to be inspired and you're actually going to believe that you can do something.